There are many fishing net products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best fishing nets from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, please remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Kids Telescopic Fishing Nets. Rating 4.3. Combination of butterfly nets. Includes 5 colorful, yellow, red, sky blue, pink and dark blue telescopic butterfly nets for fit kids to capture different butterfly, dragonfly, bat, fish and other bugs. Enjoy outdoor green exploration fun. Telescopic handle extends from 14.5 to 33.8. Easy to carry. Perfect for kids. Long-lasting stainless steel telescoping pole and nylon net. Not easily broken and rust. Can be used for long time. Easy storage. Rubber of material feel very sturdy and comfortable when grab in hand. Effectively help you catch and release butterflies. Number 4. Fibling Folding Fishing Net. Rating 4.3. Corrosion-resistant anodized and retractable aluminum alloy pole and hoop. Helps prolong its service life and increase the carrying capacity. Skid-resistant PE hand grip prevents the skidding when your hand is wet. Non-hydrophilic coating can protect the net from waterlogging. Go deep into water faster. The mesh structure stable hexagon has the advantage of stability and good firmness. Durable, tangle-free coated fine mesh net makes it easier to capture small or big fish. Number 3. Flissa Floating Fishing Net. Rating 4.5. Our fishing net boasts a robust rubber-coated mesh that is gentle on fish and facilitates easy hook removal. The easy-to-clean and durable rubber-coated net is an effective tool for landing trout, koi and other fishes. With reinforced nylon connectors and non-slip EvaFoam on the aluminum alloy handle, this fishing net offers a secure and comfortable grip. The addition of a belt clip and safety buckle enhances carrying convenience, allowing for easy access and quick attachment while on fishing expeditions. Number 2. Bubba Landing Nets. Rating 4.5. Dimensions: 20-inch 5'5", 167, 64 centimeters. Net length and 20-50, 8 centimeters. Net width. Ease of use. Textured, non-slip grip creates a secure grip for the user even when wet. Durable. 2 mm thick carbon fiber. Corrosion-resistant construction makes it sturdy and safe for salt and freshwater uses. Reliable. Nets are plastic-free and weight-rated at 50 pounds, making them strong and perfect for any situation. Warranty. This product is covered by a limited 1-year warranty by Bubba. Number 1. Frobil Floating Trout Net. Rating 4.7. Designed for anglers who need a convenient, easy-to-carry landing net. The Frobil Floating Trout Net is perfect for helping you land the catch of the day. This fishing net features a floating hoop design that keeps it on the water's surface, providing easy fish handling and protecting the mesh netting. Featuring a comfortable rubber handle, these fishing nets are great for long fishing excursions. Attach it to your gear with the built-in lanyard and carabiner clip to keep it closed when not in use. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you. So subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.